Hello and welcome to the channel. This is part 2 of 2 different crater sketches I did on March 31st, 2020. The moon was a 46% waxing crescent moon, and in this video I'm going to be focusing on this bit of the moon, and more specifically the crater Aristoteles, along with some of the smaller craters nearby. I didn't sketch both the large craters, so I'll be focusing on the middle one and the small ones to the right. Let's get on with the sketch. The equipment in this sketch was the same as in the first video, but I'll say it again in case you didn't watch part 1 first. I used my 8-inch SCT with Vixen 8-24mm zoom at 8mm and a 2x Barlow lens to get around 512 magnification. I did the outlining of the crater with an HB pencil and then used an 8B pencil for the dark shadows. I also used my 6B and 4B pencils for shading the rest of the crater floor and the surrounding area. I used a couple different blending stumps for blending in the crater floor and smoothing the shadows. I also made use of the kneaded eraser in this sketch to bring out the highlights of the light shining on the crater walls. I'd have to say that scale and detail are two of the hardest parts of doing moon sketches. Be prepared to be sitting at the eyepiece for a while when you take on a challenge like this. Anyway, here is a scan of the final sketch with no editing done to it afterwards. I did do some minor touch-ups to the final sketch once I brought it inside. I feel like this one came out a bit better than Casini, but I still may have bit off more than I could chew for a sketch. This one took nearly an hour to do, so I spent more time on this one than on the Casini sketch, but as I said in the previous video, I still sort of rushed through these and would have probably been better off picking a region and sketching it, instead of trying to do 2 different sections of the moon in one night. But anyhow, there you have it, 2 moon sketches from March 31st, 2020. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, and if you enjoyed this content, be sure to click the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified of future videos, click the little bell button next to the subscribe button. If you click on the left card, you can view video 1 of this 2-parter, and if you click on the card on the right, you can see the second moon crater sketch I ever did, which is of Casini crater. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.